Hey, how do you like this outfit? Have you heard of eVTOLs? They're a new type of aircraft that could revolutionize the way we travel. She is going to be mad when she wakes up. She missed her flight.
Let's explore.
eVTOLs are electric aircraft that take off and land vertically, like a helicopter or drone. eVTOL stands for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing. They're quieter and produce zero emissions, making them a sustainable option for urban transportation. Imagine booking an eVTOL ride to work or the airport, avoiding traffic altogether. They could also be used for delivery drones or emergency medical services. eVTOLs are quieter, produce zero emissions, and are more flexible than traditional aircraft. They're also designed with safety in mind, with redundant motors and batteries. However, there are some challenges that need to be addressed. For example, eVTOLs currently have a limited range and are relatively expensive to develop and manufacture. Despite these challenges, eVTOLs have the potential to transform urban transportation.
It's an exciting time for innovation in the aviation industry.
She just woke up. Here we go. Showtime.